model, 62-plate Ford Transit 350EF long wheelbase, 2.2 TDCi rear-wheel drive 125 bhp chassis cab Luton box van with tail lift. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 151,660. MOT, 28 February 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125ps TDCi-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The engine itself is 100%, the turbo needs replacing. Also starter motor needs replacing, quick easy repairs for the right person to get this back on the road. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074